Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to lecture number 3 of the data structure course. In the previous first two lectures, we have studied the introduction to data structure and the four methods that were used to access the elements of the array from the computer memory. Now we will move toward some of the implementation. Some methods of the implementations that will be used in the programming languages. We will study first the algorithm and then we will implement the algorithm in C++ language. Before starting the lecture number 3, if you guys remember, we have studied the introduction to programming course. In that course, we have studied the array. We have seen the implementation of one-dimension array and little bit implementation of the two-dimension array. This is not difficult. This is very, very easy. So let's go through the algorithm. Now, I told you before when we are going to write down any program or any set of code, when we are going to write down, first we write down the algorithm for that one. So if we have the algorithm, then we can easily implement the algorithm in any programming language. So before doing the coding, we need to first create the algorithm. What is this algorithm? An algorithm is the step-by-step solution of the problem. Step-by-step solution of the problem. Or we can say a step-by-step list of well-defined instructions for solving a problem. So well-defined instructions for solving a problem. We define the problem in step-by-step wise so that it can easily be understood. Some of the properties of the algorithm. Input. An algorithm must have 0 or more values supplied. We can provide the input. It can be a one value. It can be a more than one value. Output, at least one value should be produced as an output, the final result. Definite, each step must be clear from the ambiguity. Here, ambiguity, there should be no confusion. If the readers want to read the code, if the reader wants to read your algorithm, he should not face any difficulty in that. Effectiveness, each step clear to run. It is very effective, mean it is very efficient to clear the to run the code very, very properly. We will go through this. We will see these properties in the coming algorithms. Finiteness, algorithm must be terminated into finite number of steps. It should not be infinite, but you know the result of the infinite code. Algorithm notations, yes, this is important in order to write down the algorithm. Generally, with the name of the algorithm, what this algorithm is about. Comments, comments we have seen in programming language. It is not the part of the code. It is just the describing the actions in the statement, what we are doing in this particular area or that particular step. So steps starting with the bracket. Yes, step number 1, we will be close inside in the bracket. Comments means helps the reader to understand. Look at here, introductory comment. Introductory comment mean what this algorithm is about. Comments, we write down with the each step what this steps is doing, what we are doing in this step. Exit, in the end, we need to terminate our algorithm, so we have to write down the exit for that one. You guys don't take tension. This is very, very easy. It's little bit maybe from the theory wise, maybe difficult for you, but it is very easy. We know this thing, how the linear array are represented in the computer memory. Yeah, this is the array. What is array? Array is the finite list of the same data type that is stored in the continuous memory location. For example, if I say array int A4, so first 4 cell will be reserved in the computer memory. The first cell memory address is 1000. The second cell memory address is 1001. The third cell address is the 1002, and 1003 is the memory address of the cell number 4. Memory, we know this thing, it is the sequence of the address location, or we can say that it is divided into slots or memory cells. Okay, what does this mean? Location linear array K is equal to address of the element LA of K of the array LA. Okay. Now look at here, this is called linear array LA. Try to understand it, LA. I told you yesterday, I told you the difference between the index and subscript. Index means location number 1, location number 2, location 3, location number 4. When I am writing down is an array LA of 1, first location in the linear array, this is called the subscript now. So location, how we will go through this? This is very easy. Let's go through this. Should not face any problem here in this one. Okay, if I say location of, I need the memory. Location mean I need the memory address in the linear array. In the linear array. But slot number 1, let's say slot number 3. Slot number 3. Give me the memory address here. LOC mean location. The memory address, memory location. LA in the linear array. Khane number se. Khane number se barma malum achand. That's 1, 2, 3. Memory address is 1002. 1002 here. 1002. So it's so easy. Look at here. It means this one. Location. Give me the memory address in the linear array. Cell number 3. That is what? That is 1002. Yes. Since the elements are stored in successive memory location, they are stored after one another. So the computer does not need to keep track of the address of every element. Of course, just we need what? Just we need the base address. Just we need the base address. For example, if I say I into array 5, 5. So first 5 memory cell will be reserved, but I don't need to memorize the 5 memory cell addresses. Just I need the first cell address. So the computer does not need to keep the track of the addresses of every element. Instead of only need to keep track of the address of the first element. Just tanha, first cell memory address begin bus, which is denoted by base LA. Base means the first address in the linear array. And it is also called the base address of the linear array. Using the computers, calculate the address of any element of the array using the following formula. Location here. Location, give me the memory address in the linear array of cell number that is equal to base address plus W mean word length, integer take 2 bytes, float take 4 byte, character take 1 byte, and K minus lower bound. K minus lower bound. Upper bound and lower bound. If we go through the example here, let's say this one. This one. Here we have already done one of the example. Traversing linear array. Know the operations in traversing, inserting, and deletion. We will do these 3 methods today. Let A be the collection of data elements stored in the computer memory. Let's say you maintain the array in the computer memory and we want to print the contents of each element of the array and we want to access every value of the array, this can be accomplished by traversing. If you remember, I told you traversing means visiting each element at least one time. Yeah, visiting each record exactly at least one time. By accessing and processing each element of the array exactly one time. The following algorithm does this. Yes. Let's go to the example. This will help us to understand. Look at here. Initialize the counter. K is equal to lower bound while K is less than upper bound, visiting each element, and apply process to LA of K. K is equal to K plus 1. What does this mean? Let's go to this one. I need the me here. This is the 1004 and this is a 1005. 8. Yes, that's perfect. And I need the lines for these things also, so that I should here, this one, I need it here. And I need to do this thing also. I should, yes. Okay. Let's say this is the linear array. And I will also do one thing. I will paste it here, this one, the index number. I should be clear for me. Cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3, cell number 4, cell number 5, and cell number 6. Yeah, this is the cell number, and this is the linear array. This is the one of the linear array here for us. Let us take this one here. I will write down here. Linear array, size of the chandas, size of the sexes. Linear array. I will write down also here int linear array. Need smaller. Yes. Okay. I will also assign the values to this one, so it should be easy for me. The first value, let's say I assign the 98 here. The second value I will assign the here, let's say 77. The third value I will assign the, let's say here is the 68, and the next cell value I will assign here is the 44, for example, and the next cell value I will assign, let's say here the 40. The last cell value I will assign here is the 54. These are the values. I have a linear array whose size is 6, data type is integer, and it contains the 6 cells and 6 values stored. Now, how to traverse the values of the array? First thing, initialize the counter. Lower bound started from the first cell. So lower bound here is what? Here, if we look at here, the lower bound here is the first cell. First cell. K is equal to lower bound. K pointed no location number 1. Here K is equal to lower bound. K points the location number 1. And what is the upper bound here? Upper bound. Upper bound here is this one. Here. Last cell. I told you yesterday. Last cell. This is the upper bound here. Now, how to do this one? K is equal to upper bound. Started from the lower bound till upper bound. K will started from the lower bound till upper bound. Now, step number 1. Started from the lower bound value, from the first value. Ta K, while K is less than upper bound, ta waqt ke akhir na rasid. Chikar ko process to LA of K. Process to LA of K. How we go for this one? Apply process. Process mean first access the value of the LA of K. LA of K first value is what? The first value is what here? 98. Print 98. So you should. Next time, K will be incremented. K will be incremented, and the value for the next time, this is equal to what? 77. K is a K plus plus. Ali K shuda increment shuda. K plus plus K in jamada. Back K plus plus. Back K plus plus. Next value chira migira. Kudam vil shasto hashi migira 68. This is the 68. Okay. Oh sorry. Location number 3 value is equal to 68. Yes. Then the next value, let me copy it. Take the advantage of this one. Reusability. Okay. Next time, the value will be get incremented. LA of 4. LA of 4. Location number 4. Value is what? 44. It will print the 44 here. Then the next time location number 5 K plus plus, and the location for the next value is what? 40. Then the next time the value will be K will be incremented, the value will be 54. No, ali waqt K azija shuru shuda boot, ta waqt K in the rasida. Ali rasida K is less than equal to upper bound here. While K is less than equal to upper bound. Ali K shuda inja rasida. Ta inja chibut K plus plus K plus plus K plus plus K plus plus K plus plus. Ali dakhir rasida. Value excess shuda K is equal to Ali values kulish khalas shuda. Dakhir rasida stop. This was the starting point. This is called the ending point, and between this we just increment the value. LA of 1, LA of 1, LA of 1. Here. Because here the code was the apply process to LA of K. We just put every time the values of K. Yes, so this was the very simple example of the traversing. LA of 1, LA of 2, LA of 3. Just simply put the values of K here from here. Started K from the first cell till it will go till last cell. Every time access the value, process mean every time access the value of the K and increment the K. K is equal to K plus 1. Then Chico exit go. Let's see this thing in the how we have done these things in the computer programming. Let's go for that one. Yes, this is my code blocker. For example, I'm taking int array of size. Let's say I want to insert the 5 value, 5 int array 5. I need int K also, one of the variable K that will be processed to LA of K. K is the counter variable here. I will increment it. So for k is equal to चूरा के the computer programming memory खाने सिफर शुरू में शा array सिफर शुरू में I will use the k is equal to 0. Yes, and k is less than equal to 5 as नमाय 0 था 4 या कम सिफर शुरू में कोने बाद 4 मेरा से k is less than Chimisha 5 and k plus plus. So I should. And here, how I will do this thing? I will enter first the value. No, C out. Here, C in array of k. Coolish value of k. Chico C in. I will also write on C out enter the values of the array. So I should enter the value of the array, and for k is equal to 0 as khana awal shuru ko ta khana charo min total 5 location beginning value ra insert ko should bakhatir insertion. This one is for what? For insertion. No, I need to also print out this. Let's go for the insertion whether it's working or not. Oh, yes, there is mistake. Wait, let me also share this one. So whether I need to share this one also. Okay, it's saying this thing. Please take this one also as a share one. So share it. Now enter the value of the array. Now first value I will provide 55. Second value I provide 77, 98, 88, and the 44. Yes, it's working. It's accepting the value. Now move again toward here. This one. Now I need to print this value also. I need to print it. The same thing we will say cout, same method. The values of the array is equal to, so I should, array of the array is equal to is falling no I'm for loop for as khana awal shuru mein kuni har address for k is equal to 0, k is less than n, k is less than 5 chora ke 5 values are minja और k plus plus k plus plus. Inside in the for loop I need to print out these values. Cout okay, cout as new line shuru ko array of k. Yes, it will print the values. See, enter the values of the array for k is equal to 0. Yes, here. So let us give us one line also that how we provide the cout. It should be looks good. Backslash n. I need to provide the less than. Start from the loop. Okay. So I will run this code, and yes, and I will share this one also because the Zoom player every time you need to share this statement. Okay, here I'm getting it now. Enter the value of the array. First one 45, second one 66, the next one's 89, and the 70, and the last value 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I enter the 5 value. No, I need to access them, print them again. So the values of the array is falling. These are my values. That's all. This is called simple traversing. So dear students, so we have seen the traversing in the computer programming. We assign the values in the array and we traverse those values started from the first cell till last cell, and this was very easy. We have seen this thing. Now the next thing is the insertion and deletion. How you will insert the value in the array and how you will delete the values from the array. Let's go through this. Let A be the collection of data element in the computer memory. Suppose we have already have the linear array in the computer memory. Inserting refers to the operation adding another element to the column or collections. Inserting refers to the operation of adding another element to the collection of the array. Means insertion at the end is very easy. If I have this array and I want to insert it at the end, after the next cell, which address is coming? 7. 7 is coming. I will increment the size from 6. I will make it 7 and I will just put the location number 7, the value. That is very easy. But when we want to delete the values, when we want to delete the value from the middle, here, this one, this side, if you want to delete the value from the middle, when I delete it, oh sorry, I want to insert the value in the middle, then what I have to do, I have to first increment the size of the array 1, and then I have to push 54 down 1, 40 to 54, 44 to 40, 68 to 44, then I have to insert the value. This is insertion at the middle. If insertion at the beginning, the khane awal, मैं खाइम की वैल्यू रे insert kunam, बाद चिकार में kunam, बाद, so I have to shift all these values, one down, pinjao char, the jai location है हफ्तम में आया, chil the jai location है शशम में आया, चलो चार location पंजम में आया, शस्तु हश the location चारम में आया, هفتادو هفت the location شستو هشت में, نوادو هشت the location دو में, आले نوادو هشت location اول خالی شده, then I need to insert the value. هدف از چیست؟ هدف از است اگر شما در آخر value را insert میکنین اونجا مشکل نیست. direct straight forward size زیاد یک خانه size زیاد کو value را insert کو. اگر در مابین value را insert میکنین half of the value should move downward. half of the value should move downward. اگر از اول value را insert میکنین نو چی کار میشه؟ full values will move downward. I will give you this example in the Excel also. In the Excel, if we go through here, Microsoft Excel, this one. For example, I have the location number 1 value, location 1 value 33, 44. I have these 5 value. I want to insert the new value here. So what I will do, I will right click the insert, and the entire row, insert the entire row. Now look at here, all of the values. Panjum value the location shashamada, charam value location shatushamada, chaluchar the location charamamada, bala location ali I metanab ke asani value insert kuna 22. So the same thing is happening in the computer memory. So let's go for the insertion, how we will do this particular insertion. Let me open the slide. Let us go. Slides. Yes, there is my picture. share screen. There is my PPT. Where is my PPT? Let's go toward the insertion algorithm. Traversing is done. Next thing is insertion. Insertion algorithm. Insertion mean adding new value to the array. How we will do this? Started from the first, we need to find how many elements are there in the array. Let's say I have 5 elements. I have 5 elements. Then I need to specify the position. At which position I need to insert the value. That position is, let's say, equal to k. K is my position. I want to insert the value here. I will assign the value here. The k is the position. Ma mekham ke the total size chandas. Ma array ma chan value stores. Ye 4 dana ya 5 dana values stores. So I should. Halima the kudam position. Position is k. K is my pointer variable which points the position. The position number sayum ma mekham ke value ra insert kudam. So I should. Yes. This one n is equal to 5 means there are total 5 elements and the may khaim ke position sayum ma value da chikunam insert kunam. Now j is equal to n as akhira ma shuru mein kunim 5 and k cheers k position imast position, this is position, the position ma value da insert mein kunam here. Position, the e position, k a pointer variable as it helps me to move the values. Chito karmikunam LA of j plus 1 is equal to LA of j. LA of j plus 1 is equal to LA of j means we need to assign the LA of j here, location value of n chandas, value of n panjas. So I should n is equal to value of j cheese masavi n, so n masavi cheese, n masavi panjas, the value of j punch. Now punch plus 1 chan mesha, 5 plus 1 shash mesha. The jai shashum kudam value rabiarin panjuma biarin. Yes, and decrement the pointers. Bya pas shuru mesha, byachi mesha, ali j 4 shuda. 4 plus 1 panj. The jai panjum kudam value rabiarin 4 biarin. J minus minus. The jai sayum say plus 1 charum and j is equal to 3. No 3 the jai charum kudam value rabiarin se rabiarin. Our then say value पाई शुदा आले न दिगर चार्ची में कोनी आले के लोकेशन खाली शुदा नो हादाउ पोजीशन चिरे इसल को वैल्यू रे इंसर्ट को और साइज यच्ची को ज़्यादा को. I know this will be difficult for you like this, but let's go through programming. Then it will be very easy for you. Let's go through the programming. How we will go through in the programming for this one. If I can show you also in the Excel this value, here I will show you this one. Simple as this. In the value of n chandas, value of n panjas. So I show total values panjas. Ma kudam position में हम की value insert kuna ma में हम की position ही दो सही ma value ma चाहिए value ma चाहिए तो CO 39 my mekham ke jai location value ra insert karna. N mean total values ma 5 daram. K is equal to 3 means the location sayum ma mekham kin je value insert karna value chase cu nu asta. Ha ali bibin total size 5 no ma agarin je boguyam the array say should the array ama in jame tanam kim boguyam ke j is equal to n that is equal to 5. The inja j plus 1, j plus 1 equal to j plus 1 shudani. Churaki inja n panjas no punch plus 1 shasham j location. Kudam value rabiarin LA of j. Yes. Mind the guftam, mind the guftam the LA of j plus 1. No j value chandas punch plus 1 shashuda the j shashum. Kudam value rabiarin LA of j bala shasto shasha. No agar simply im bugoyam ke ami value ra inja biarin that is it means simple is this 66 the location panjum amat say should ali location khali shuda agar baad digar ma bugoyam ali ma megam inja. Let us do this one in a very right way. You will be understand what I try to mean. Inja location shasham famidini inja in location shasham the location shasham ma kudam value ravurdam the location the linear array as array ma panjum value ravurdam famidin shuma ha. Let's copy this one. I will take the copy here, control V, this one. Digar gufta j minus minus j minus minus ali chimi kunam ali j minus minus I should j minus minus ali bala pas j minus minus misha and ta waqt ki position rasa while j is less than k ta location sayum j minus minus misha I should okay. Oh now ali chikunim LA of j plus 1 the chikunima the location panjum kodam value rabiarin location charam abiarin location charam abiarin no ale machi kunam pinjaw panja ma kodam yaram pinjaw panja ma pai me yaram say should location khalish the location panjum ma kodam value raborna location charum ha ami step dobara repeat misha j minus minus j yakam misha j yakam misha say should ali chi should inja ali inja charum shuda the jai charum kodam location value rabiarin location sayum value rabiarin inja ha chito shud ale chalo char inja miya aspa bala rafaiya bordam pakatam ena k is equal to 3 jai k ma rasidam jai k inja ale chias k ma rasidam say should ale ma megam chi megam the linear array chico k हर एड्रेस की के पॉइंट में को ना लोकेशन सही में पॉइंट में को ना उन जची बिंदास वैल्यू ची है सी यू नो इन जाले माची बिंदास इन जमा सी यू नो बिंदास this was my code. It was so easy. Did you get my point? A size ma ali chi shuda ziyad shuda size ma chi shuda ale ziyad shuda no ma inja ale megam Mind megam ke size amachi ko size ama increment ko yakish. Ma megam n is equal to n plus 1. Say should ali total size chan shuda total size shash shuda. No total chan value ali ma daram the array shash value daram. Peshtar chan boot peshtar pani boot. This is how it works. Let's implement this whole concept in the computer programming language code blocker. Let's go for that one. Yeah, let's go for this one. Before I was also where we practiced the linear array traversing. This was about the traversing. Now let's go for the inserting the code. How we will do the insertion code here. It's very easy. Let's say I will take int array. Like memory location amada memory reserve ne ko number khod. This one ma me kham ki position variable kar daram. The position machi me konam my value insert me konam position digar match kudam value radar my value I need to enter the value and I need the for this one I need also a variable for this one that is the j begin ya kera begin j begin say should okay let me make them separate from this and I will say int in position value j. Bala ek array daram, the memory chunk cell reserve kadam, pinja cell reserve kadam in position value and the particular j. Khali chikar me kunam, awal kuma value insert me kunam. So I should see out enter the values of the array. Enter how many values? You want to insert in the array. Please enter backslash n also. That is very important. New line. Okay. C in. So I need to find the n, and I will also add this one into n as n is my variable, that how many values I want to insert in the array. So the same thing, I need to enter the value for this. How what I will do, I will run the for loop for this one. For I is equal to array shiromesha safer. I is equal to 0. Sorry, I'm using the j here. I will use the j while j is equal to 0. J is less than equal to n. J is less than n. Sorry, चूरा कि अगर 5 जमा में कम 0 था 4 मेरा. J is less than n and j plus plus. Did you get my point? And I need to insert the values. C in array of I. C in array of I. E value insert में कुना. सही शुद्ध. हाँ. आले मामे कम C out. Enter the location. Enter the location where you want to insert the array. Now C in position, location, both of them are same. As I mentioned here, the variable position, so I will use the position. Or you can also use location, L-O-C-A-T-I, location. I will use the location, and I will make this one also location for your simplicity. So you should enter the location where you want to insert. Let's say Mame Khan ke location Sayum, so I will put 3, location number 3. See out. Enter the value. The location say kudam value rame khaye ke insert kune. C in chikar ko value rabi. C in value. सही शुद्ध आमी value माल दादे माले. हाँ आले chikar में कुने value रब दादे. No, the next thing is the अगर याद बशुमा बाशा मादी दे माले अवल मा value रब पाई में सादे. Value रब पाई में कुने ये जाए रखाली कुने. उ position location ची कुने दे रे खाली कुने. मामे का for बड़ी खातिर मा for loop में गिरिम. हाँ I sorry for j is equal to n-1 as आखिर value. सही शुद्ध ना. लोके चुरा के मा खुइंजा गुफ्तम enter size 5. नो 5 صفر था 4 मतलब यह कम از n از کجا شروع میشه آخری لوکیشن کدام میشه n-1 است. طب ما فهمیدیم. once again اگر ما بگویم 5 ویلو را من انسرت میکنم از 0 تا 4 مین یک کم از n. از کجا شروع میشه در مموری یک کم از n. j is equal to n-1 while j is equal to n-1 j is greater than or equal to position تا وقت की position न रहा ना मू location not position is equal to location تا वक्त की वो location न रहा चीकार को j minus minus awal location panjum the jai shashum kudam velura biarin panjum biarin the jai panjum charam biarin okay kam ma me kunam that's why I write down j minus minus say shoot ha ma chi kisame megam array of velura chitu peshtar madidam velura chitu kam me kunam array of j plus 1 the jai shasham kudam velura biarin panjum ARA array of J. Saishudna. E system rawan. Awal the jai shashum panjuma biarin J minus minus. The jai panjum charama biarin J minus minus. The jai charum sayama biarin. Aina. Ta location sayum but stop me shabadi. Saishud. Im shud. Ha. Location am shud. Ali chikar me kunam. Ali ke waqti ki jai khali shuda damu. Location chikar me kunam. The amu location value را مندازم پیشتر ما گفتن enter the value آلی جای خو خالی شده the amu location چی کو value را insert کو این شده خالی کلش کار خلاص شده یک کار مانده که تن آخره رو print کنیم okay let's go for this one for printing see out the final array after adding new value is following. صحیح شد علی ما پرینت میکنم امو تریورسینگ کوड استفاده میکنم چرا که ما پرینت میکنم صحیح شد فور چی کار میکنم j is equal to 0 از لوکیشن صفر شروع کو j is less than تا کجا میرا یک سیوا شده ان memory یک سایز سیوا شده یا نشده yes in j plus plus اگر سایز سیوا نمیشد ما تنها n میگرفتم صحیح شد نه علی خو یک ویلو زیاد شد علی بعد که ما سایز اینکریمنت کنیم then see out از نیو لاین شروع کو کلش ویلیو را چی کو نشان بده array of j yes so this was the code what we have done here first ما گفتم چند ویلیو را میخوای که array insert کنین بعد ما ویلیو را insert کردم صحیح شد this one code is for the insertion بعد ما میخوایم تا کدام لوکیشن میخوای که نیو ویلیو را insert کنی لوکیشن بعد ما گفتم ویلیو را بر ما بگو صحیح شد ها ویلیو را ما بگو خب بعد که پیش از اینکه ما ویلیو را insert کنم ما چی کنم جای را خالی کنم امو لوکیشن را خالی کنم اینجا ما د ششم ویلیو پنجم ویلیو د ششم آمده چهارم ویلیو د پنجم آمده سیوم ویلیو د لوکیشن چهارم آمده اینجا امی کار شده آخر ما چی کردم بعد که ما ال فاینل ارر را نشان دادم صحیح شد okay let's go for this one let's see whether we have the okay what is the c in array of j let's go to check the code whether it's working or not yes it's working and let me share the output file with you guys no you are seeing this thing very lovely enter how many value you want to insert in the array I want to insert 5 value 5 value I want to insert how many 5 value okay please enter the 5 values chalo 4 66 87 48 99 हाँ आले साइको 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 5 value را ما insert कर ماذا قدام location میخوایم ما میخوایم که the location سیوم ما چی کنم location insert کنم enter the value کدام value را میخوایم ما میخوایم که 9099 یمی value را insert کو همون the final array ببین the new location value ماذا so that's all it's very simple this is very very simple you have seen this thing this is very easy please enter the or you can also add little bit one more here see out just to make it look it beautiful. Count \n. Please enter how many value, then after that it must ask please enter the value. Please enter the values. बाकी एक दोबारा रन करें. Yes, let's go for this one. Let me share the output file. Here we have now. Okay. Please enter how many values you want to insert in the array. I want to insert, let's say, move punch value. Please enter the values. Enter the value. खूब मालूमेशन नहीं आ रही. मामे खाम के the location चारम value insert करूँ. The जाए हफ्ता दो हफ्ता. Enter the value करूँ. 332. Yes, 332 insert. It's working. No, this was all about the insertion. Amu cheeses. Didin algorithm boot. Algorithm sorry. Or beshtar ke ma the coding implement kadam program boot. This is the difference. Didi awal ke algorithm khub bafamin baad code kardan bashuma chees asanas. Let's go for the last one. Deletion. So deleting refers to the operation of removing an element from the collection of the array. So deletion at the end is very easy. Deletion, yes. Deletion as akhir ko khele aasan is. It's mushkil nahi. Chikar ko array as peshima as akhir value la delete ko aur size yak kam ko khele aasan is. Magar agar ma mekham ke deletion at the middle ko nam अगर माबेन मा एक वेरिएबल डिलीट करदम बाद चिकार में कुनिम. Let me show you in Excel. I don't need this thing further, so I will just remove it a little bit. Let me go to sheet 2 because I'm going to need this code for the deletion also. I will go to sheet 2, no problem. Look at here. Ma chandana value daram, ma 5 value daram. Agar ma mekham ki value akhira delete kunam. Value akhira chi kunam delete kunam. No simple as this. I will delete the value. Aw peshtar size chand boot. Peshtar size n is inja size ale chandas. N is equal to 5 as. Agar ma value ira delete kunam pinja panja size chand me mana yak kam mesha. N is equal n minus 1. Ichi misha but delete misha ali n is equal to 4 shuda. Did you get my point? Agar ma inji kunam ke ma as ma ben value rashi kunam delete kunam. O agar simple ma delete kunam ba chi to misha agar ma siusera delete kardam. Location doyum value siusera ma delete kardam. Ali siuno bala mera chelo 4 da jai siuno me aaya. Pinjo 5 da jai chelo 9 me aaya. Did you get my point? Siuno da kodam location mera, the location doyum mera, chelo 4 da kodam location mera, location sayum mera, pinjo 5 da location 4 mera. So this is how it works. Chikisami me kunim misal ma as location 39 value ra delete kadam. Chikadam e value ra ma chikadam ma delete kadam. I will take it here. Yeah, control V. So I will say delete. Ma e value ra chikadam delete kadam. Delete namu location k. K value in the says should location delete kadam in the total size ale chandas peshtar shashas n is equal to 6 total value 6 as in ja peshima value 39 amachi kadam delete kadam e ale e rafta sahi should ale machi kar me konam sahi ko amira mami kiram inja vurdim. Don't need this one. Injalichi me admi karme kuna male gap megam. LAJ plus 1 in megam. Ma megam the J LA of J هر ویلیو که دیلیت شده چی کار کو علی ریورس شده LA plus 1 شده. فهمیدین چی تو شد علی سایکو لوکیشن سیم ویلو را ما دیلیت کردم مگر در جای لوکیشن سیم ما کدام ویلو را میارم لوکیشن 4 را میارم. 4 چی است 44 است 44 اینجا ما آوردم صحیح شد 44 اینجا خالی شده. علی ما چی میکنم ما میگم علی سایکو خب جی پلس پلس کو علی د لوکیشن 4 د لوکیشن 4 کدام ویلو می आहे د لوکیشن 4 لوکیشن 5 ویلو می आहे 5 ویلو چی است 55 است 55 اینجا می आहे این دیلیت میشه. خب د لوکیشن جی مین جی علی جی پلس پلس شده لوکیشن 5 کدام ویلو آمده د لوکیشن 5 جی پلس 1 ویلو می आहे that is the 6 اینا 66 کجا میره 66 اینجا بالا آمده صحیح شد. او ان علی ما چی می کار میکنم ان علی ما میرا کار ندارم علی ان چی میشه علی جی n is equal to size کم میکنیم صحیح شد n is equal to 5 6 minus 1 5. Did you get my point here n is equal to n minus 1 شده n is equal to داخل یک سایز یک کم میشه هر چی قدر که n است از او یک کم کو پیشتر n 6 بوده علی n minus 1 5 شده. This is how it works in the computer memory. Let's go for the implementation of this code. Let's go for the implementation of this code. That how we will implement this one is programming language. اما مو کوड زیادتر استفاده میکنم کمک تغییرات میارم. Please enter the values تا اینجا هیچ مشکل نیست. Enter the value جای insert ما میگم the location you want to delete the element in the array see in location. امی لوکیشن ما میخوایم که چی کنم delete کنم. بعد ما میگم من یک چک میدم ما یک چک میگم که اگر مثال 5 ویلیو است ما بگویم لوکیشن 8م ویلیو رو دیلیت کو 8م خو اگزیست نمیکنه خو ای خو گپ غلط شده کنم باید که ما کنترل کنم if ما بگویم if location is greater than یا equal to n if location is greater than equal to n اگر ای بزرگتر بود از n صحیح شد n plus 1 sorry n plus 1 یا greater than n اگر بگویم صحیح اگر ای بزرگتر از سایز مثال total element ما 5 دارم ما گفتم که لوکیشن 8 بزرگتر از 5 است و هیچ صورت نداره که ویلیو هیچ نیست لوکیشن اگزیست نمیکنه ما از کجا دیلیت کنم ما میگم سی اوت out of range. The location is out of range. The location is out of range. صحیح شد. بعد ما میگم سی اوت please select the location in the given range. Of the array. صحیح شد. خب ای شد ای را ما هندل کردیم علی ما چی میگم علی ما میگم else part if اگر دو اونجا او exist میکنه اگر اونجا او exist میکنه چی کار میکنم امیرا علی ایرما سرچپا میکنم صحیح شد کنترل x من میگم اینجا میرم ما چی کار ما میگم for j is equal to ببین خب ای کمکش باشه ما بر تو بگم صحیح از کجا شروع میشه ای j is equal to کجا شروع میشه ما کدام جای گفتم فلان لوکیشن ویلیو را دیلیت کو فلان ویلیو لوکیشن دیلیت کردم خب از اونجا شروع میشه از پایین ویلیو از اون بالا میاد j از پوزیشن ویلیو جایی که لوکیشن ما گفتیم امو لوکیشن ویلیو از اونجا شروع میشه for j is equal to location minus 1 mean اگر ما بگویم سویم خود کامپیوتر دو استفاده میشه نه دو شمار میشه اگر ما بگویم پنجم در کامپیوتر 4 چرا که از صفر اونجا شروع میشه j is equal to location minus 1 and j is less than n minus 1 تا وقتی که یک کم از مموری نشوه j is less than n minus 1 n minus 1 چرا گفتم که اگر ما بگویم total size 5 است اونجا صفر تا 4 میره صحیح شد j is less than n minus 1 and j plus plus j oh, صحیح j plus plus صحیح شد خب چی کار کو د جای j کدام ویلو را بیارین د جای سیم ویلو ډیلیټ شده د جای سیم چهارم بیارین j plus 1 بیارین دا وقت کې لوپ خلاص نشد صحیح شد ایم شد خب مال final array a move code is the final array after the value is the I is less than n plus 1 نمیگم چرا که n یک کم شده علی n minus 1 میگم صحیح شد and j plus plus cout array of j let's go for this one okay let me add the output file to show you guys okay here this is my output file please enter how many values you want to insert in the array I want to insert the 6 values in the array please enter the values شست هفتاد و هفت هشتاد و هشت 23 14 6 ویلو را دادیم کدام ویلو را ډیلیټ کنم لوکیشن اول دویم سوم چهارم ما میخوام که چهارم ویلو را چی کنم ډیلیټ کنم صحیح شد yes چهارم ویلو 88 ډیلیټ شو صحیح کو this is how it works deletion so this was all about the traversing insertion and deletion hope so you understand it please watch the lecture very carefully and after that if you have any question please call me thank you so much goodbye for now